Hello viewers and subscribers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, RGL Innovations. This video is all about the motion sensor light switch. This is the on-off switch right now for my lighting, and I have to replace this one with motion sensor light switch. I have to shut up right now and turn off the breaker. The breaker is off right now, and I have to turn on also my trouble light. I have to remove the switch cover. This is the light switch that I have to remove and replace with motion sensor light switch. We have to disconnect the light switch. This is my power supply, and this is the line going into the light. This is the motion sensor switch that I have to install. And there are 3 positions on this motion sensor switch. the off position, auto on the middle, and manually turn on the right side. And there is 3 wires. This one is for the ground wire, and the remaining 2 hook up from the 2 lines, and the existing 2 lines, the power supply and the line going to the lights. This is the specs for the motion sensor light switch. And we can use for fluorescent light bulb, incandescent bulb, motor not more than 1/8 horsepower. This is for indoor use only. I can hook up the motion sensor switch right now. Just twist the wire and put the wire connector. And make sure that it's tight so that it will not loose. And the other one, the same procedure, just twist the wire and put the wire connector. And now it's the green wire. This is for the grounding system, and hook up right to the electrical box. Now the ground wire has been connected. Just push the wire inside and put the 2 screws for the switch. And I have to put it back the cover. There are 6 screws because I have 3 switches on one switch cover. Now I'm going to switch on the power supply in the breaker. The breaker has been switched on right now, and we have to check the operation for the motion sensor light switch. I have to shut off my trouble light. I will slide on position. Okay, it's on right now. And put it on switch off. Yeah, it's off. And put it on auto. Yeah, it's working right now, but I have to get away from the motion sensor switch to check if it shuts off automatically without moving on the vicinity of the motion sensor light switch. Now it's off right now, and I have to pass by if the motion sensor switch is working. Okay, it's turned on right away. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and please subscribe and share. See you next time.